You might find yourself needing to shut down a virtual machine for various operational or administrative tasks. In this video, we'll walk you through the actual process, look at your 5 shutdown options, and talk about a few reasons why you'd need to shut down a VM. In Prism Element, choose VM from the main drop-down menu. From the list, choose the VM you wish to shut down. Right-click and choose the method for the shutdown. Power off is the equivalent to pulling the power plug on a physical machine. Power cycle is the equivalent to removing and restoring power. Reset is the equivalent to pressing the reset button on a physical machine. Guest shutdown is when the operating system of the VM performs a graceful shutdown. Guest reboot is when the operating system of the VM performs a graceful reboot. After choosing the power action, click on the Submit button. Here are some reasons you may have to shut down a VM. Upgrades and host maintenance. When performing hypervisor or firmware upgrades via the Lifecycle Manager (LCM), the underlying host often needs to reboot. Cold configuration changes. While many modern operating systems support hot adding resources, some structural changes to a VM require it to be fully powered off. Resource optimization and capacity management. In development or testing environments like seed clusters, administrators may forcefully shut down and resize VMs that are consuming excessive resources while showing very low actual utilization. Troubleshooting and state recovery. If a guest OS becomes unresponsive, experiences a kernel panic, or if network connectivity is completely lost, a customer might trigger an ACPI shutdown or a hard power off to reset the VM state. Please leave a comment and let us know if this was helpful. Thanks for watching.